guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making Gol Gappa pani. It's a weekend, so what's the better thing to make? For this we'll be needing 1.5 cup of imli water, half cup of plain water, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of zira powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of kalonji. I have imli ka chutney, hari chutney, and chana for filling. Okay, so I'm gonna start by adding our imli ka pani into the saucepan and our water and the spices. I'm going to take it back here and put this on heat. I'm going to let this come to a light simmer. Gol Gappa water had come to a boil. I turned the stove off and took it out in this bowl. I'm going to let this cool down, and you can always put it in an ice bath to make the cooling process faster. So I'll see you guys in my next video. If you like this recipe, please comment down in the comments below, and if you do try this recipe, please tell us. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye.